Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show how to create a parallel box plot without a categorical variable using SPSS. We'll try to produce a parallel box plot for weights of the two groups separately. We use the numerical variables weight A and B regardless of gender in this video. Before we begin, we need to double-check variable types by clicking the Variable View tab at the bottom. Both weight variables should be set up as numeric type with scale measurement level. Click the Data View tab to go back to the spreadsheet. To start, click the Graph from the top menu and select Legacy dialog at the bottom. Then choose Boxplot. We use simple and series of separate variables. Click on Define. Move the target variables weight A and B together into the boxes represent box. Then click on OK. Now we have the parallel box plot of weight in A and B groups. If you like to produce a horizontal box plot, then double-click on the chart to edit, then click on the horizontal bar-shaped icon at the top to transpose the chart. If you want to change the color to differentiate the two groups, click on B group box plot. Then you can see the gray outlines around both boxes. So click on B one more time to have gray outline only for B. You can see the color icon at the center of the menu bars. Click on the drop-down beside the color, then you can choose your favorite color. In the same way, click on the A group box, and again, click on the drop-down and choose any color you want to use. Close this editor. Now we have a horizontal parallel box plot. Next, if you want to produce a quartiles table for this box plot, let's try that. Begin by clicking the Analyze menu and Descriptive Statistics, and finally, Frequencies. Then we are going to move the target variables weight A and B into the variable box. Then click on Statistics and select Quartiles. Then click Continue. If you do not want the frequency table, you can uncheck it. Click on OK to get the quartile table. Here are the output from SPSS. The tip of the left whisker represents the minimum value of the data, while the right side indicates the maximum value. Although we do not see any circled points beyond the tips of whiskers in our example, you may find those points in other box plots. Those points are called outliers. These are points that are outside of 1.5 times its interquartile range. For the quartile table, please make sure all data values are included without missing values. The 25th percentile indicates the first or lower quartile. On the chart, these are the left edge lines of the box. 50th percentile indicate the median. On the chart, these are represented by black lines inside of the box. Lastly, 75th percentile is the third or upper quartile. On the chart, these are the right edge lines of the box. Please comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you again.